So we're on State Highway 35, just pretty much north of Tucumara Bay in a place called the Mangahauini Gorge. The aim of the works here is to build a roughened channel so we can pretty much try and control the river to stop doing the damage to the road. As you can see behind you, right, we've got the river right over to one side. We're actually over 50% through our handbar installation. 2.5 metres deeper than the original riverbed, and the whole idea of it is for that to be in there is to control the water that's coming down here.
So currently the machines that are working down the back are placing some handbars. The handbars are part of the river diversion, and that will slowly be built up and end up down here where this last handbar is. That's where we're aiming to finish, right down in this little corner.
We've got rock control up in the corner there, was the toe of the sheep pile had pulled out. So we've buried that with handbars, and obviously we're getting into some anchors that are getting tied into there to hold that in as well.
What comes with working in the river is when you have weather events, rain, and the levels of the river can change just like that. That's probably one of the bigger challenges. And then the planning side of it. So how do we work in a river? How do we manage what we've got to build so that we have least disruption, but are also able to stay on program.
We have local people with local knowledge, local mahi that's getting done by people that know our river, know our awa, know our land and know our tile. So in that part we can actually get things done way better, and having people like Butch in this area is really great.
I think with what we're seeing with the handbars and how I've seen them act in the flood situations, they're a fantastic idea, easy to handle. These blocks here, they could be used for other projects throughout the country really.
Highway 35 is our lifeline, and that's the importance of a job like this, is keeping our essentials coming through, the economy working in this region, the roads safe for our whānau to use. That's what it's about, is keeping the 35 safe and open for us all to use in future years.